So over here, you can see that I got three separate tabs right here. And let's say what I want is I want one particular tab to be a separate window. In that case, I can simply go around and drag this out right here. And you can see that I have this particular window. I can click and drag out the tab and you can see that it becomes a separate window right here. If I were to go around and click and drag it back, then it goes back in over there, as you can see. Similarly, I can click and drag out this particular tab right here and drag this out as well, and they become separate windows, as you can see, just like this. What you can also do now is you can click and drag the tab back onto this window or this window right here to group them back out again. And you can drag this tab over here back again, as you can see right here, and then you can arrange it out into single tab just like that again. So that is how you can go around and then drag out the tab according to how you like inside of Microsoft Edge. To arrange out the tab and take out the tab in a new window as you like, or keep it back as you like right here, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.